carved cases for the iPhone 11 Pro Max and also the iPhone XR, as you can see. So I want to give a special shout out to Carved for sending these over. So let's dive right in. All right, so you can see it comes in this little bag here, pretty nice. And these are made in the state of Indiana, so you can see the outline of the state right there. Very nice, as you can see. So let's just go ahead and open this up and then we'll have a look. And ooh, look at these two cases. Oh, nice. All right. And what is this? Thank you. And a wood little package here. It's not actually wood, but carved naturally unique. Carved.com. Go check them out. Now this is cardboard. This is not actually wood. So we'll see what we get inside. And I believe that's it. Is there something else in here? Nope. Oh yes, there is. There's a little, I knew there was something else in there. Okay, cool. Put that to the side, and then what do we get? Looks like we have a little carved decal that you can put on whatever you want. Put that to the side, and take a look at these two. Whoops. Pause the video if you want to read that. Put that to the side, and we'll take a look at the case itself. Nice. So you can see here, this is their red case. Now they come in all kinds of different colors, blue, red, you name it. Now each case is unique on its own. These come from wood burls, and they go ahead and pour the colored resin on it, and then they make a cut. So each case is different in its own way. It's unique. Very nice. All right, let's go ahead and we'll test out the XR first. And look at that. The product red XR with the red case. I'd say that looks pretty good. All right, so let's take a look at the case on the inside. You have a pattern here, as you can see. Looks, they have this wood pattern here. And then on the bottom, that says carved. Sick! All right, let's go ahead and put the phone in. Phone just slides right in, like so. And as you can see from the front, black border, blends in perfectly with the black front of the iPhone XR. We'll flip it over in the back, it's gonna look like this. And I have to say, this looks very nice. Yeah, this looks really, yeah. This looks sick. With the red right there of the product red iPhone XR, with the red color here of the wood case. Yeah, I am digging this. This looks sick. Nice. Now this is smooth to the touch, and then you're not gonna get a lot of fingerprints with this. Cool. All right, so let's just take a look at the case, the front lip. I'd say minimal front lip protection, so I would be very careful placing this phone on its front side, cut out there for your slider, which easy access to that. Power button, volume rocker, and then the sides here are ridged. Excellent grip. And then we'll test out the buttons. Buttons are nice and tactile. Let's go ahead and jack up the brightness on this. You can see a little bit better. Whoops. And then we'll do the volume. Yeah, the buttons are nice and tactile. Slightly on the mushy end, but there is feedback. Not bad. Not bad at all. Cutouts, you can see the product red right through the case. Black and red, that looks pretty cool. And then on top, nothing on top. Cut out for your slider right there like I mentioned. But yeah, this looks cool back here. Yeah, I'm digging this with the red and the red. Yeah, this is nice. I love it, man. I love it. One more thing to test out, which is the wireless charge. Should work, as you can see. Cool. We'll go ahead and take a look at this one now. This one is in green to match the midnight green of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Have a look. Now on this one, inside is a little bit different. You have a felt material here, carved branding. Have a look. It says 1 of 1 because, like I said earlier, each case is unique. So have a look. Very soft, very plush on the inside. will not scratch your device. Go ahead and slide the 11 Pro Max in and we'll have a look. There you go, slides right in. And then let's see from the front. Black case, black phone, blends in perfectly. We'll flip it over in the back, it's gonna look like this. Woo! Now this looks hot too. Green goes perfectly with the midnight green in the phone. This is nice, I am digging this. Very nice. I love it, man, I love it. Buttons. Nice and clicky, a little bit on the mushy side, but there is feedback there. And then let's see, the volume rocker, yeah. A little bit on the mushy end, but you do feel the feedback and it works. Front lip, have a look for yourself. You have a little bit of front lip here. So you can see, cutouts, access to your switch, and then let's see, cutouts on the bottom. Have a look for yourself. And then this also has the ridges on the side, giving you improved grip. Feels good to hold, nice and solid. And then let's see, turn this on. And then we'll just lay the phone flat down. And then the wireless charge should work, as you can see. Yeah, this looks cool back here. The green and the green with the wood. Not a bad looking combination. Very nice. Cool, so these are carved cases for the iPhone XR and also for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. These cases are pretty cool. Each case is unique in its own way, provide a good amount of protection, feels really good to hold, nice amount of grip. Highly recommend these cases. Very nice. Go ahead and check them out, carve.com. They make cases for iPhone, for Samsung Galaxy S10, etc. I'll link them in the description down below. And once again, special shout out to Carved for sending these over. Thanks for watching. Peace out.